Hello friends, welcome to our video, where we will delve into the metaphysical teachings of the renowned Dolores Cannon. If you are someone seeking spiritual enlightenment and guidance, then you have come to the right place. Dolores Cannon was a pioneer in the field of hypnotherapy and regression, and through her work, she gained profound insights into the nature of our existence and the role of lightworkers in the world. In this video, we will explore some of her key teachings on lightworkers, their signs, their power source, and their role in the new earth. So sit back, relax, and prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel if you enjoy the content of this video. Okay, let's get started. Dolores Cannon's metaphysical teachings offer a unique perspective on Jesus Christ that goes beyond traditional religious teachings. Her teachings encourage individuals to explore universal principles of love, compassion, and personal transformation. According to Cannon, Jesus is seen as a spiritual teacher who came to earth to elevate human consciousness and teach love and compassion that transcends religious boundaries. She suggests that his life and teachings serve as a catalyst for individuals to explore their inner spirituality and connection to the divine. One of the key aspects of Cannon's teachings is her suggestion that Jesus may have had multiple incarnations, challenging traditional Christian beliefs. This idea opens up possibilities for a deeper understanding of Jesus and his role in spiritual evolution. Exploring Dolores Cannon's teachings can lead to a profound journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. By delving into her books such as The Convoluted Universe, Between Death, Life, and Jesus and the Essence, individuals can gain insights into the nature of reality, the purpose of life, and their own spiritual path. Some of the topics covered in Cannon's teachings include the role of lightworkers in the world, the concept of the new earth, the law of attraction, signs that indicate one is a lightworker, connecting with source, raising energy on earth, and avoiding catastrophe. By embracing the principles of love, forgiveness, and compassion, as well as seeking a deeper connection with source, individuals can align themselves with higher dimensions and contribute to the healing and cleansing of the planet. According to Cannon, lightworkers are individuals who have a deep sense of purpose to bring love, healing, and positive change to the world. One of the signs that indicate you may be a lightworker, according to Cannon, is a strong desire to help others and make a positive impact in their lives. Lightworkers often feel a strong connection to spirituality and have a deep sense of knowing and intuition. They also have a heightened sensitivity to the energy and emotions of others. Furthermore, lightworkers often feel a strong pull towards healing and have a natural ability to bring comfort and support to those in need. Cannon also mentions that lightworkers may have had past life experiences where they were involved in spiritual or healing practices. Another sign of being a lightworker is a deep sense of longing or feeling of not belonging in this world, as if they are from another place or time. If you resonate with these signs, it is possible that you are a lightworker and have a unique purpose in this lifetime. Understanding and embracing your role as a lightworker can lead to a fulfilling and meaningful life where you can positively impact the lives of others. Dolores Cannon's teachings provide valuable insights into the nature of lightworkers and can help individuals on their spiritual journey. In the world of spirituality and personal growth, awakening is a phenomenon that is happening more frequently. More and more people are having real and authentic glimpses of reality, awakening out of their familiar senses of self and into a much greater reality. This shift in consciousness has sparked a growing interest in understanding what comes next on the spiritual path. One valuable resource for those who have awakened is the book The End of Your World Uncensored, Straight Talk on the Nature of Enlightenment by Adyashanti. This book serves as a guide for navigating life after awakening, offering direction and support for those seeking a deeper understanding of their spiritual journey. What makes this book particularly unique is that information about life after awakening is often only shared between teachers and their students. The End of Your World breaks this tradition by making this valuable information accessible to a wider audience. The book provides a personal welcome to a new world of spiritual growth and offers insights into the profound experiences and insights that can come from awakening. In the excerpt titled Exploring Life After Awakening, readers get a taste of the transformative power of awakening and the potential it holds for understanding reality on a deeper level. Adyashanti, the author of The End of Your World, is a respected spiritual teacher who offers a unique perspective on enlightenment and spiritual growth. His teachings provide guidance on navigating the post-awakening journey and addressing the question of now what that often arises after experiencing awakening. The growing interest in awakening and spirituality reflects a shift in consciousness and an increasing desire for deeper meaning and purpose in life. It is a testament to the human longing for connection with something beyond our familiar senses of self and the world. As more and more people awaken, there is a collective movement towards higher dimensions of consciousness and a greater understanding of our place in the universe. As we delve deeper into the concept of lightworkers and their role in the world, it becomes evident that love, forgiveness, and compassion are fundamental qualities that define their work. A lightworker is someone who not only shares positivity and raises the vibration, but also brings healing and solutions to various issues. They serve as beacons of inspiration and set stellar examples for others to follow. Lightworkers can be found in a multitude of fields such as teaching, healing, the arts, and even in the development of new systems and solutions. Their impact is not limited to a specific domain, but extends to all aspects of life. What sets lightworkers apart from others is the radiant energy they possess, which attracts and uplifts those around them. Love, forgiveness, and compassion are at the core of a lightworker's being. These qualities enable them to connect with others on a deep, empathetic level, facilitating healing and growth. By embodying these virtues, lightworkers contribute not only to their own personal healing and growth, but also to the collective healing and cleansing of humanity. Furthermore, it is worth noting that the radiance often associated with lightworkers is not solely a spiritual or energetic phenomenon. It can also be an outward manifestation of great health and well-being. Bright eyes, wide shining smiles, and glowing skin are tangible signs that a lightworker has nurtured their physical and emotional well-being. And that brings us to the end of our video, exploring the metaphysical teachings of Dolores Cannon and the fascinating world of lightworkers. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the nature of spirituality, the role of lightworkers, and their impact on the new earth. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more content like this. Your support means the world to us. We also encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers and building a community of like-minded individuals who are on a path of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Until we meet again in our next video, keep nourishing your soul, raising your vibration, and manifesting the life of your dreams.